As you can see here, Dreamweaver's on the hard. Well, that's a story for another episode. All right, John, we're gonna put this through hole in for the air conditioner. It's not exactly where I want it, but because it's in a stripe, but I don't know anything else to do. I don't have much of a choice here where I can put it, so hopefully this is gonna work out good. Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamweaver. I really hate drilling holes in the boat, but here we go again. All right, Kat, watch your fingers. We're drilling a hole through the side of the boat to put the water outlet for the air conditioning in. So the water, the cooling water that goes through the condensing unit comes out this fitting out the side of the boat. I wanted to get it up above the stripe, but I just couldn't do it. I couldn't get it in there. There wasn't any way to get to the back side of it. I tried not to drill a hole any bigger than I needed. I was just trying to get it the right size for the fitting to go through, but not be sloppy in the hole. So I was taking my time drilling through to make sure I got it the correct size. We ain't got the hole big enough yet. Sure. Since the step bit kind of cuts a hole at like a triangle, it's kind of hard to get it the same size all the way through, so I had to keep trying and then finally take a smaller step bit and kind of get it straight all the way through so it would go in. Watch your fingers. What do you think, John?
Feel like a glue.
All right. They don't hit nothing on the back side, does it, Kat? Okay. It'd be just where we get the hose on it, probably. A hose. I think we can get it on there. All right. That's it. Let's go get some 5200 and a nut and all that stuff. We can get all that on there and try to. And that's going to be the best we possibly can do. Yay, the holes through the boat. That's where me and death about putting the hole through that side of that boat. But anyway, we got something to work with. So today I'm attempting to run the hose from the pump, the output of the pump, through the optional bleed-off valve and into the condenser itself. That'll be the input for the seawater to go into the condenser and cool the condenser. Then, as you saw earlier, we installed the through hole on the discharge, and we're going to run the piping from the output of the condenser to the discharge through hole. And we're going to try to finish that up today.
Are you still gonna have to go get some fittings?
Probably. Or order some or something. I don't know if we'll get that far today.
You're so damn normal. I'm emotional when you're in control. Saying hi to everyone.
Here you see I've installed the hose from the pump output to the optional bleed-off valve, and then from the optional bleed-off valve into the condenser itself.
Can't fight, I can't help it. Tell me how'd you get so happy? Wish I could be in your shoes. I wanna be like you.
Baby, thank you for walking so much.
Here I'm adding double stainless steel hose clamps to the ends to make sure that they don't leak.
So, let's see what the pump looks like. Got in here. Got it tied into the fabric we can get air out of it with. And then into the main unit itself. So, step forward.
While I was drilling holes, I thought I'd go ahead and drill a hole for the electrical connections for the main wire that comes from the breaker all the way over to power the unit itself, and also the thermostat cable. I had to be really careful because the midship water tank was mounted right behind the unit and I didn't want to drill into it.
Who are we? Tell the sun to rise. Who are we to paint the starry skies? Oh, everything the future holds is already written deep within our souls. Can't you see? It's all by design.
Now that I've drilled the holes for the electrical cables to go to the control box and have installed the discharge hose that goes from the condenser to the discharge that's mounted through the side, the through hole through the side of the boat, it's time to put some clamps on that hose to keep it from moving around and getting damaged.
Come on, baby, let's get to it. 'Cause you got my head a swimming, yeah you do. But can I keep up if I'm swimming next to you? Come past the point of no return. You think eventually I'd learn. 'Cause I've been treading water through Chicago.
Next episode on Dreamweaver SV.
It's time to install the electrical connections and get ready to start this air conditioning unit up.